Good morning, good morning. What are we doing today? We are not going to be working on the Jeep. Today, I'm taking you guys on an adventure. I'm going to a place called Santos Trailhead, which is a bike route, mountain biking and regular biking. And I think we're going to have a good time. So let's see where it'll take us. And no, I am not taking this. You're gonna see when we get there what I rented. I'm so excited, never been on one. It's an e-bike, electric bike. So together we'll explore it and see how it works.
Turn right. You've arrived at your destination.
Santos store, where we need to pick up our rentals. I'm gonna try to record a little bit here. I forgot my mount for my GoPro at the house, so I'll be coming back though. There's a bike. I'll show you the bike when we stop on one of the other trails. But so far, it's a nice trail. I'm recording with my phone, so I might have to stop here and there. But if you look down here, let me see. Oh. If you look here, I'll show you later. I'm gonna bust my ass. Alright, folks, this is the trails. So far, so good. Here's the trail, beautiful trail. I lost her. I think I see her coming now. There she is. There she is. Let's go, Slowpoke. Alright, here's some of the electric bikes live. They're called. They have the speed module on here, where this is the battery reader. And you can go from 1 to 5. It gives you speed as you're pedaling. These are the shifters, up and down shifters. As you can see. Pretty fun bike. I'll be back to do it again. But they got 3 different trails here. They got the Vortex, which is the worst. They got the Bunny. But this is the place that we're at, Santos. We're going on canopy now. See you when we get to see here.
I was like, all right, well, you're fucked. I was like, I'm good.
You can see Santos trails. Beware of bears. The trails close at sunset. Here's the trail itself. E-bike trail. If you want, stop the video so you can look at the trail.